This video shows how to add text to a new section on a page. I've already logged in here, so the page is checked out. So I Site Actions and Edit Page. And the top part of the page has a title. You should leave that alone because if you change that, it affects the menu titles as well. The page content section should be left alone because it has poor editing options. So what we do is we add a web part. A web part's going to be a block where we can put some text in. If I scroll down the top here to the Media and Content web part, or category rather, select the Content Editor and click Add. So as I scroll down now, I will see the top blank part, and then under the header I will see a Content Editor web part. Now I can click in here and just start typing text, but often I want to bring it in from a Word document. The problem with the Word document is it contains a lot of invisible formatting, which doesn't go well. So if I copy that text, or Control-C, I'll just use the menu here, and I'll paste it, but paste it as text only, which is the A. So that cleans up a lot of the formatting, which will make it much easier to put it on the web page. So I'll now copy that again using the menu or Control-C. I can now go back to the web page and click in the Content Editor part and Control-V, paste that in, allow access, and there's the text. Now this text isn't quite clean enough. If I just have a look at the code underneath, you can see that there's some extra code in here, div styles and font sizes and so on. So what I need to do is clean that up a bit more. So I'll highlight all of that text and select the Clear Format button. And that just removes some extra formatting. This makes it a lot easier for editing later. So now I just want to put a heading in this section. So I'll call it Student Links. And I've got a blank line in there. I'll just delete that because blank lines are not good. I now highlight that heading and I'm going to choose a paragraph style, or here they're called markup styles. So I'll choose heading 1 and highlight the next bit, and I'll choose heading 3. Heading 2 is a bit too big. Now I have the paragraph body, and I need to highlight that and select that as paragraph style so that everything has been assigned a style. That's quite important for the consistent look and feel for the user across the website. So I'll just fix up the other subtitle and the other paragraph. Now what I need to do is go and get the hyperlinks from the Word document. So I'll just highlight that text, right click and copy hyperlink. Go back to the web page, highlight the text, and then go up to the Insert tab, and then across to the left to Link, and click on the little arrow to get From Address. So the text is there already. I'll just Control-V, paste that in, and that's got that link done. I now go back to Word and highlight the next link, right click, copy hyperlink, and again highlight the text, go to the Insert tab and link, From Address, and paste that in. Now finally, before I save the page, I need to fix up this Content Editor web part. So I'll edit the web part, and that appears at the top right hand side of the page, so you often have to scroll to find this bit. I open up the Appearance tab and change Content Editor to something a little bit more meaningful. So I'll call this one Links 1, whoops, not S, a 1, because I might have Links 2 and Links 3 later. And then under Chrome Type I choose None, and that gives me a plain box that will contain the text. So I now see that it's called Links 1, and I'm ready to save the page and then publish it so that the public and staff can see it. That's done.